Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the moose does in Grey Garden. You can obtain it from the winter egg, which you can get by doing the latest Christmas tree event. So basically, when Christmas type pets finish their abilities, they start their cooldown with less, and also it occasionally eats a fruit with a cold type mutation, does a call, and all nearby plants advance growth. This is a mythical pet, as you can see it, and it's a pretty cool pet as well. So yeah, that's what a moose does in Grey Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.